the toss. The men who matter are out here. Let's see. Heads is the call. And it's tails. Conditions seem to be perfect. At least that's what the bowling side thinks. This
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Time for some spin now. An off spinner comes into the attack. He's played it with soft hands on the onside and makes it look effortless. He's got it in hand and chucks it right back. He didn't learn that novelty from the coach. The umpire knows what the batsman doesn't. Not out. The batsman's off the mark with those runs. He flicks it away onto the onside this time for more runs. A confident appeal from the bowler, but the umpire isn't convinced. He turns down the appeal. Fielders are making their move in the ground. A deadly kiss goodbye to the bowler's last ball. Farewell by 4. A good over for the batting team.
For not going empty-handed last minute, blink it. India's last minute app.
A pacer who's known for his physical intensity. Can he up his game today? A change of pace. A fast bowler. The bowler goes over the line. No ball given by the umpire. A costly delivery that gives away a free hit. It doesn't seem to be timed well. A half effort. A sturdy effort from the fielder there. Well thrown. They'll pick up a cheeky double here with that nimble sprint. The batsman never saw that one coming. What a ball. Steps out his front foot and defends that beautifully. The crowds are going crazy for that unbelievable stop. An absolute scamster of a ball completely fools the batsman. A tiny dot ball to end the over. A change of pace. A fast bowler has now joined the attack. This is an absolute ripper of a ball. It has sent the bails flying all around. It's out. The stump is lit up. He has to stick to his basics and not give away his wicket here. He's played it with soft hands on the onside and makes it look effortless in the air. That's a good throw by the fielder, getting right back at the stumps. A quick couplet from the batter, but the bowler's not singing a happy tune. A wild swimming delivery. The batsman is in real trouble now. The bowler has beaten the batsman with that delivery. You won't find that shot in any textbook. Keeper, keeper! That attack wasn't just meant for the stumps. What a body shot! No luck for the batsman. At the end of that over, dot ball, an off spinner. Will the bails be spinning off soon, we wonder? Time for some spin now. An off spinner comes into the attack. He's lofted it skyward. Is that going to cost him? The ball has pierced the fielders all the way. The batsman makes contact with nothing but air. A sturdy effort from the fielder there. Well thrown.
Catch it! How was that?
Now shouts from the bowling team, but the umpire decides in the batsman's favour. A quick couplet from the batter. Bet the bowler's not singing a happy tune. The bowler has completely bamboozled the batsman. That's given out by the umpire. The batsman's not too sure about the umpire's decision. Looks like he's going to review this. A DRS review will be risky here for this ball. He is the new man in. He should stick to the team plan.
Listen to over 90 million songs ad-free and over 15 million podcast episodes with Amazon Prime Music. Download now.
And anchor the innings. They've decided to call in the leg spinner to control the flow of runs. A leg spinner has come into play. It's in the air. If that finds a pair of hands, a hard smack sends the bowler a message. Keep doing that and I'll keep hitting you for four. He knows every run stopped counts. Nicely set back with a strong flexing action. Did he make it in time? The umpire says he did. Safe. 2 runs. That's sensible cricket.
Catch! Keepers!
2 more runs added to the total on the last ball of the over. Some variation in this one's deliveries. Are the gods of speed in his favour? The medium pacer has been called into the attack now. Hit it badly. Over it goes. That attack wasn't just meant for the stumps. What a body shot. Safe than sorry. The bowler has completely bamboozled the batsman. Steps out his front foot and defends that beautifully. Well contained.
बहुत दूसरे लोग देखते हैं तो हंसते हैं जब गया स्कूल जाते
A dot ball to end. The medium pacer has been called into the attack now. Superb delivery. The ball sneaks through and hits the bails. It's out. The stump has lit up. A new batsman walking in. Hope he can save his team's hopes. Such an intimidating swing. Well contained. A smart effort from the bowler. No run again. Clever bowling by the bowler. The batsman has been deceived completely. A fielder is getting ready to get a hold of it. He's got it in hand and chucks it right back. 2 runs. That's sensible cricket. The decision is in favour of the batsman. Not out, says the umpire. A change of pace. A fast bowler has now joined the attack. It's in the air. If that finds a pair of hands, it's over. A sturdy effort from the fielder there. Well thrown. 2 runs. Oh, that's brilliant. They've run the first one hard and came back for the second so quick. Leaves the batsman totally baffled.
Bowlers.
Delivery. A beautiful delivery, and it swings through the line. No happy ending for the batsman at the end of that over. A change of pace. A fast bowler has now joined the attack. A perfect delivery. It has deceived the batsman completely. A clever one that left no room for the batsman. Dot ball. Oh, that was a close one. A fielder is getting ready to get a hold of it. The fielder sees eye to eye with the bowler and flings it true. 2 runs. Oh, that's brilliant. They've run the first one hard and came back for the second so quick. A swing and a miss. The batsman got luckier there. That's a quick bit of legwork from these 2. That's a dot ball to end the over.
बहुत दूसरे लोग देखते हैं तो हंसते हैं जल गया है सूख गया है स्कूल जाते
Nicely bowled. A change of pace. A fast bowler has now joined the attack. Bowler overstepped the line there. There's the light at the end of that long tunnel of singles. A solid 4. There's no stopping that turf wrecker. 4 runs it is. A good length from the bowler. That's a fine delivery. Such a perfect length from the bowler. The batsman was in two minds there. Great line and length once again. No runs off that one. It doesn't seem to be timed well. Sturdy effort from the fielder there. Well thrown. A quick couplet from the batter. Bet the bowler's not singing a happy tune. A good over for the batting team.
और बहुत दूसरे लोग देखते हैं तो हंसते हैं जब गया ऐसे हो गया स्कूल में जाते
A change of pace. A fast bowler has now joined the attack. An absolute scamster of a ball completely fools the batsman. A beautiful delivery and it swings through the line. He's lofted it skyward. Is that going to cost him? A sturdy effort from the fielder there. Well thrown. 2 runs. That's sensible cricket.
Bowlers.
A very good partnership by the two out in the middle.
Skippers. Iverson.
The batsman strikes a double on the final delivery. A change of pace. A fast bowler has now joined the attack. Fielders are making their move to the ground. He has to run hard on this one to be safe. That's a good throw by the fielder. Getting right back at the stumps. 2 runs. Oh, that's brilliant. They've run the first one hard. Came back for, and he's out. Clean bowled. It's out. The stump is lit up. He just has to stick to the basics and play his natural game here. Such a perfect length from the bowler. The batsman was in two minds there. The batsman makes contact with nothing but air. The bowler goes up with excitement, but no, says the umpire in the end. 2 runs to start things off. That's some clever use of the wrist from the batsman. He drives that one down to the onside. Double or nothing. Double it is for the batting. End of over. Some variation in this one's deliveries. Are the gods of speed in his favour? The medium pacer has been called into the attack now. He's hit it badly. He's hit it high. He's got it in hand and chucks it right back. A fine double that'll push the tally ahead. Unfortunate error by the bowler. The umpire grants the batting a no ball. Let's see what's in store for the batsman. It's time for a free hit. He had his chance. He must it. No boundaries here, I'm afraid. from the bowler, but not out, says the umpire. The bowler seems frustrated with the decision. Yes, they decided to go to the third umpire. The original umpire's decision stays in place.
Bowler.
Double or nothing. Double it is for the batting. End of over. A pacer who's known for his physical intensity. Can he up his game today? A change of pace. A fast. He's hit it badly. He's hit it high. The batsman might be in trouble here. That's a good throw by the fielder. Getting right back at the stumps. A fine double that'll push the tally ahead. Oh, what a delivery. The ball might as well be invisible. What a miss. A swing and a miss. The batsman got luckier there. Oh, that was a close one. A satisfying end.
గోదావరి ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ 4 టికెట్లు పైన బోర్డు చూడు టికెట్స్
For the bowler as the batsman is denied. They're bringing in some medium pace to try and limit the opposition's scoring rate. The medium pacer has been caught in the attack now. The bowler has beaten the batsman with that delivery. A wild swinging delivery. The batsman is in real trouble now. A good length from the bowler. That's a fine delivery. A fielder is getting ready to get a hold of it.
keeper
That's a good throw by the fielder. Getting right back at the stumps. They'll pick up a cheeky double here with that nimble sprint. Great coordination between the pair. That's good running.
keepers
Double or nothing. Double it is for the
बहुत दूसरे लोग देखते हैं तो हंसते हैं जब गया स्कूल
batting. End of over. Time for some spin now. An off spinner comes into the attack. As the batsman goofed. The keeper certainly thinks so with that appeal. The umpire has asked for the third umpire. It's going to be touch and go decision. And the batsman is declared safe. The keeper looks disappointed. A huge appeal for the stumping there. Looks like they will have a look at it as it is really close. Third umpire is being referred here. Looks like the batsman made it back safe. No stumping this time. Fielders are making their move in the ground. A sturdy effort from the fielder there. Well thrown. 2 runs. That's sensible. sensible cricket. That's some fine running between the wickets. The batsman never saw that one coming. What a ball! Batting, end of over. The medium pacer has been called into the attack now. Such an intimidating swing. The batsman opting to play it safe on that one. No runs. It doesn't seem to be timed well.
Bowlers.
The fielder sees eye to eye with the bowler and flings it true. 2 runs. That's sensible cricket. They need to build on this good partnership to post a competitive total. A perfect delivery, and it has deceived the batsman completely. The bails are lit. What a delivery. He needs to stay on and finish the game for his team now. Two's company, but 4's a blast. What a shot. He's lofted it just right. Bounce and boundary. New to the ground? Never mind. Hit a boundary off the first ball. Could have easily nicked the bat. Decides to send in a spin meister. Can he spin up a wicket? Time for some spin now. An off spin. It's in the air. If that finds a pair of hands, it's over. The fielder sees eye to eye with the bowler and flings it through. A wild leap of desperation. Did he make it? Easy decision by the umpire. That's signal. They'll pick up a cheeky double here with that nimble sprint. Appeal for the stumping there. Looks like they will have a look at it as it is really close. The final call is going to be third umpires. Look at those hands move. A nifty stumping from the keeper. A new man in. Time for him to up the scoring rate. Goofed. The keeper brilliantly stumped by the keeper, but the batsman pulls his feet into crease. An impressive stint by both batsmen. Double or nothing. Double it is for the bat. A pacer who's known for his physical intensity. Can he up his game today? A change of pace. A fast bowler has he's lofted it skyward. Is that going to cost him? And that's 4. Using his feet superbly. Lovely shot. Sees eye to eye with the ball. up a cheeky double here with that nimble sprint. A perfect delivery. It has deceived the batsman completely. Oh, that was a close one.
Catch it! Keeper's hand!
Time for some spin now. An off spinner comes into the attack. It's in the air. If that finds a pair of hands, it's over. A sturdy effort from the fielder there. Well thrown. Two more and he'll return. Looks like he has to make a dive to save his wicket. Oh, what a delivery. Bowler, bowler. A perfect delivery. It deceived the batsman completely.
Catch it! Keeper!